Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video on how to add payment method in your Steam account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Steam application. Make sure that you have already signed in. With this, you can directly land on your home page. On the right corner, you can see your profile. Tap on that. So on your profile, you can see these friend activities, friends, groups, and here you can see this account details. Tap on that. There you can see add a payment method to this account. Tap on that. So after you do this, you will see this word from that you need to fill up for the payment. Here you can see the type of card that you would like to use, like Visa, MasterCard, American Express and all. You can go with whichever is available with you. After you do this, you will need to give your card number, enter there your card number, and after that select your expiry date as you prefer. And after doing this, you will need to fill up your billing information as well. That includes your first name, last name, billing address, city, zip or postal code, your country as well, and lastly your phone number. With this much, you will be ready to get going and tap on continue. So this is how you can add your payment method in a Steam account. So this is it for today guys. If you find the video useful, then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel.